A heavy motorcycle flywheel sits at the center of the workbench, ready to be transformed into a powerful woodworking tool. The craftsman begins by carefully measuring the wheel with a stainless steel ruler, then uses a white marker to draw precise cutting lines. Every measurement must be exact, because even a small mistake could ruin the tool's balance. Next, a high-speed angle grinder slices along the marked lines. Bright orange sparks burst into the air as the steel is cut. Gradually, the circular flywheel is reshaped into two identical, curved, serrated blades. Once separated, each piece is carefully inspected and polished until the edges are smooth and razor sharp, while every tooth is refined to ensure maximum cutting performance. Now it's time to build the handle. A thick steel pipe is clamped securely in a vise, marked with a straight cutting line and carefully grooved using the angle grinder. The long slot allows the two curved blades to fit perfectly into the center of the pipe, creating a strong, symmetrical, cross-shaped design. The most critical stage is welding. Wearing protective gloves, the worker welds each blade firmly to the steel pipe. Brilliant arcs of light, flying sparks, and molten metal create thick, solid welds that provide the strength needed to withstand heavy impact. After both sides are welded, the joints are hammered and inspected to ensure maximum durability. The finished tool looks both rugged and impressive, with its long steel handle and claw-like serrated blades. To test it, the worker drives the tool into a tree trunk. The sharp teeth bite deeply into the wood, and with a powerful push, the tool penetrates effortlessly, sending wood chips flying in every direction. When removed, it leaves a deep, clean mark, proving its remarkable cutting power and solid construction. If you enjoyed watching this incredible metalworking transformation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next amazing DIY project and factory process. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us build next.